Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you websites and apps to put a little money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell for future videos. Today's video is on Amazon Associates affiliate marketing, where you can sign up for free just trying to find you just type in Amazon Associates, join up for free. You can use YouTube as one of your websites, and I'll show you how you can make money off this. First of all, you can promote any product on Amazon with a commission like this. Like this, MCT oil. Now, I am passionate about this product. I've been using this product for 2 years. It's medium chain triglycerides. It feeds the brain, body, fuel, 100% non-GMO MCT oil. All I do is make a pot of coffee, or not a pot of coffee. I just do a 4-cup pot of coffee. My first cup of coffee, I put 2 tablespoons of this, and I'm good to go. Mental clarity rest of the day. This product is good with coffee, shakes, protein shakes. It's very good for vegan, keto diet. It's tasteless, but I just use an example, guys. As affiliate program, you can promote products like this on Amazon with doing YouTube videos. I know, guys, it's tough at first to want to be on camera, but this is a legit way of side income as you're building up your brand. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. MCT oil. It'll help promote my page, which would be greatly appreciated if you wanted to. It's your guys' option. All you do is follow the link, sign up under your name. I get commission for selling this product. But this isn't what this video is. It's optional, guys. I'm not trying to have this video just to sell this. I'm just saying you can do videos like this to sell. And I'll show you proof. Here's a big website, Think Media.
In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube.
760,000 subscribers. And he does that. He reviews gadgets that are off Amazon, and I will show you.
If you shop on Amazon, you should use Wikibuy.
See guys, right there. He's using Amazon affiliates. Amazon affiliate link. But you're providing value for people. That's what this video is all about. Providing value, not spamming your link. Another example, guys, how you can promote Amazon affiliates through Quora. You pick a niche, whatever niche you like. See, I'm in the health, guys. This is a health product. You can do health, whatever, gadgets, t-shirts, whatever your heart desires that you're passionate about. You can go onto Quora and you can search like I'll type in health, healthy eating. You go on here, you comment, you provide value with what you're passionate about that interests people, and people will click on and buy your product. That's the power of affiliate marketing. He's bringing value to his product, building up his brand. That's another good way, my best way of giving you extra money in your pocket. And this money is on autopilot if you can work it properly. If you like this, guys, if I added any value whatsoever, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos. Like I said, I do videos on a daily basis. Till my next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.